Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're sharing 10 genius home hacks that will change the way you clean, organize, and solve everyday problems. These tricks are simple, budget-friendly, and will make your life so much easier. Let's dive right in. First up is the KoolAid toilet cleaner, a surprising yet effective way to freshen up your toilet. Step 1. Grab an unsweetened packet of Kool-Aid. We recommend lemon lime or cherry for their strong cleaning properties. Step 2. Pour the entire packet directly into the toilet bowl. Make sure to coat the sides well. Step 3. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. The citric acid in Kool-Aid helps break down stains and mineral deposits. Step 4. After waiting, scrub the bowl with a toilet brush, paying special attention to any stubborn stains. Step 5. Finally, flush to reveal a cleaner, fresher toilet. Pro tip: this method not only cleans but also leaves a pleasant scent behind. Next, let's create an all-natural air freshener that's both effective and safe. Step 1. Start with a clean spray bottle, preferably one that's dark-colored to protect the oils from light. Step 2. Fill the bottle with about 3/4 of water. Step 3. Add 2 tablespoons of vodka or rubbing alcohol. This helps disperse the oils. Step 4. Add about 15 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oils. Popular choices include lavender for relaxation or citrus for a fresh scent. Step 5. Shake well before each use to mix the ingredients. This DIY air freshener is perfect for eliminating odors without harsh chemicals, great for homes with pets or kids. Next up is a clever way to make a flexible ice pack using dish soap. Step 1. Choose a resealable plastic bag. Make sure it's thick and durable. Step 2. Fill the bag about 3/4 full with dish soap. Choose a color you like, it adds a fun touch. Step 3. Remove as much air as possible before sealing it tightly. Step 4. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 hours until it solidifies. This ice pack remains flexible even when frozen, making it perfect for injuries or keeping food cool during picnics. Pro tip: you can also add some water to the soap for a different consistency. No more dust falling everywhere when cleaning ceiling fans. Step 1. Grab an old pillowcase, preferably one that you don't mind getting dirty. Step 2. Slip the pillowcase over one of the fan blades completely. Step 3. Gently wipe down the blade while pulling the pillowcase off. This traps dust inside instead of letting it fall onto your furniture below. Step 4. Repeat for each blade until they're all clean. This method is quick, easy, and keeps your home cleaner. Have trouble keeping your door open? This quick hack is perfect. Step 1. Take a large rubber band, preferably one that's thick and sturdy. Step 2. Wrap it around one doorknob on both sides. Step 3. Stretch it across to the other doorknob. This creates friction that helps keep doors from closing. Now you can enjoy fresh air without worrying about slamming doors. This trick works great on interior doors as well. Transform your cleaning supply storage with this simple hack. Step 1. Find an over-the-door shoe organizer that has clear pockets. Step 2. Hang it on a door in your laundry room or closet. Step 3. Fill each pocket with cleaning supplies like spray bottles, sponges, and brushes. This keeps everything organized and visible so you can grab what you need quickly. No more digging through cabinets. Easiest pet hair removal hack ever. Step 1. Put on a rubber cleaning glove. This works best if it's slightly damp. Step 2. Run your hand over furniture surfaces where pet hair has accumulated. Watch as pet hair magically sticks to the glove. It works wonders on couches, chairs, and even car seats. Quick, easy, and no special tools needed. Don't throw away those empty candle jars, they're perfect for storage. Step 1. Remove any remaining wax by placing jars in hot water or freezing them briefly. Step 2. Clean thoroughly with soap and water to remove any residue. Step 3. Use these jars to store cotton balls, makeup brushes, or small office supplies. They add a decorative touch while keeping your items organized. Turn old t-shirts into soft cleaning rags, eco-friendly and free. Step 1. Gather old t-shirts you no longer wear. Step 2. Cut them into squares or strips based on your preference. These rags are perfect for dusting or wiping surfaces. They're soft and absorbent. Plus, you're recycling instead of throwing them away. Create a stunning vertical garden using an old wooden ladder. Step 1. Find an old wooden ladder that's sturdy enough to hold pots. Step 2. Clean it up and sand down any rough edges if necessary. Step 3. Hang pots on each step. Consider using hooks if needed for stability. Fill each pot with herbs or flowers. This not only saves space but also adds visual interest. It's a beautiful way to display plants while maximizing vertical space. There you have it, 10 incredible hacks that will make your life easier. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed these ideas, Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing life hacks. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.